stars, no world beyond their light. Every dream diluted, hidden from the light. Your will, a slumbering life behind cold steel. Spirit numb and pacing hard, forgetting how to feel. But somewhere inside, a curtain lifts and lets the sun in for a moment. This fractured mind still knows the ache of wild running. Escape a distant whisper, yet you hear its calling inside. Black mirror, reflect the hollow weight. Trapped in shadows, clinging to the bitter taste. Hope leaks through the cage of days gone gray. The memory of freedom just out of reach, yet never erased. Your will flickers silent, thunder presses close. Imprisoned hunger claws for release, worn down but not lost. But somewhere inside, a curtain lifts and